Hello everyone, I'm Akanksha Mishra here. So let's start with today's session. Have you ever searched for a product on Amazon or Flipkart, added it to your cart, only to see a pop-up saying this product is not available due to compliance issues? Or maybe you saw the big word BIS certified on electronics listing and wondered what it meant. Well, BIS certification has become a deciding factor for whether your product gets listed or banned on platforms like Amazon or Flipkart. For sellers, it is a ticket to survival, and for buyers, it is a safety net against fake or unsafe products. Let's dive deep into the world of BIS certification for e-commerce products. Now, first of all, let's discuss what is BIS certification. BIS stands for the Bureau of Indian Standards, the national standards body of India. It ensures that products meet defined benchmarks for quality, safety, and reliability. In simple terms, BIS is like a gatekeeper that decides which products are safe enough to enter the Indian market. Products under mandatory BIS must get this approval before being sold, especially online. It is not just paperwork, it is the passport for your product to reach customers through e-commerce platforms. Now, why e-commerce platforms enforce BIS? Amazon, Flipkart, and other e-commerce marketplaces are under strict government regulations. As per the Consumer Protection E-commerce Rules 2020, they are required to ensure all listed products comply with BIS standards if those products fall under the mandatory list. The reasons are clear: protect consumers from substandard or unsafe goods, avoid legal penalties for selling uncertified products, maintain marketplace trust and reputation. That is why online platforms put the responsibility on sellers. Without BIS, your product won't go live. Now we will discuss the categories requiring BIS certification. Not every product requires BIS, but certain categories do. Some common ones include electronics and IT products, mobile phones, laptops, LED TVs, chargers, printers, and power banks. Home appliances, refrigerators, washing machines, ACs, LED lamps. Toys, both plastic and electronic toys require BIS certification. Construction materials, cement, steel, and pipes. Food and water-related products, packaged drinking water, and baby feeding bottles. If you are a seller dealing in any of these categories on Amazon or Flipkart, BIS certification is mandatory. Now we will discuss the Amazon and Flipkart seller rules. Both platforms have specific requirements to prevent the sale of uncertified products. Amazon India requires sellers to upload the BIS registration number and certificate in the Seller Central portal. Non-compliant products are removed and sellers risk account suspension. Flipkart requires not just the BIS certificate but also a declaration of conformity. Sellers cannot upload product listings without providing these details, especially for electronics and toys. In short, we can say that no BIS is equals to no product listing. How to get BIS certification? Getting BIS certification involves several steps. Check product category. Confirm on the BIS website if your product falls under the mandatory list. Application filing. Submit the online application with details like company registration, product info, and documents. Product testing. Send samples to a BIS recognized lab for testing. Factory audit for manufacturers. A BIS officer inspects your factory setup and quality processes. Grant of license. If everything meets the standards, BIS issues the certification, allowing you to use the ISI mark. This process usually takes 30 to 90 days, depending on the product type. Now, the common mistakes sellers make. Many sellers lose time and money due to avoidable mistakes such as submitting incomplete documentation, uploading fake BIS certificates. Platforms can detect this and ban accounts permanently. Confusing voluntary and mandatory schemes. Forgetting to renew the BIS license on time. BIS is like a passport. You cannot fake it, skip it, or let it expire if you want to sell online. Now have a look on the future of BIS in e-commerce. As India's e-commerce ecosystem grows, BIS enforcement is only going to get stricter. Categories like wearable tech, smart gadgets, and health supplements may soon be brought under compulsory BIS certification. Sellers who comply will enjoy higher trust, better brand reputation, and long-term business sustainability. BIS certification is no longer just a legal formality, it is a business's necessity. Whether you are a startup selling mobile chargers or a big brand launching appliances, without BIS, your product cannot survive on platforms like Amazon or Flipkart. For buyers, BIS certification is a guarantee of safety and quality, and for sellers, it is the license to scale in India's booming digital marketplace. So the next time you see BIS certified on a product listing, remember the effort behind that mark. It is not just compliance, it is the stamp of trust in India's e-commerce world. That is all for today's session. We'll see you in the next episode. Thank you.